Sagittarius, this is your channel messages for the 20th of November. I am your host, Vanessa Carby. Sagittarius, we're going straight into your reading. Let's go. Sagittarius, we're going into your 5-card future spread. So let's see what your overall message is, and then we'll take it from there. Ooh. We got the 7 of Swords. So this is theft, Sagittarius. This is also stealing military secret intelligence to bring back to another military base. So you could be a spy, Sagittarius. I'm getting you infiltrate. Now a spy can be either governmental or religious. I'm getting you are a man from a different religion. You have infiltrated another religious building and you have gotten all their secrets and you have left with them. Maybe you have left with paperwork also. I'm getting Sagittarius, you the spy. I'm getting nobody expected it to be you. I'm getting if you're not the spy, it's an Aquarius. But I'm getting military. Somebody works in military. Or I'm getting, if you're wondering why everybody know your business, I'm getting a military people a study you. That's why. What is your love life? Your love life is a 7 of Cups. I'm getting, you don't have a love life, maybe because of the military. I'm getting everybody who you fall in love with or you try to date. I'm getting the military's on your ass. I'm getting something about the military. 7 of Cups. Now I'm also getting something about no liquor, no alcohol. Alright? We know military man love drink. What's career and money? Your career and money is the King of Wands. So it could be an Aquarius working in the military, or I'm getting a one Leo working in the military. Or I'm getting somebody join the military. I'm getting a one spy. But you're posing as an alcoholic. I'm getting an alcoholic pose. I'm getting a spy, but you are a bum-ass alcoholic. Bruh, basically. I'm getting you blend perfectly in though. What's your health? Your health is a King of Swords. I'm getting you are a doctor or you are as enlightened as a doctor. So I'm getting health-wise, you always take care of yourself. And your home life is the Devil. So I'm getting a lot of secrets. I'm getting a lot of people you have stole information from, identity from. 5 of Swords. I don't know if you want spy or you want hacker. But I'm getting your home life, what you do for work, people don't know. I'm getting you expose secrets, you bring back secrets, or you get secrets from people, and then you bring it back to the military. That's your home life. Now, I don't know if you're somebody's handler, why you have why the home life is the Devil. I'm getting your wife has been arranged to be with you, so you're her handler, you listen to everything what she say. You report back to them. Somebody is a military spy here. They're Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. They could also be a Leo, Aries, Sagittarius, or they're a Capricorn. So I'm getting that's the person who's a spy. You know, somebody might try for say, oh, you know, we caught these military messages, these envelopes in somebody else's care. Like them, I said, them find us. So the person who is a spy, I'll pin it on somebody else. And say this person is a spy. But getting a spy is a man. It's not a woman. Maybe him use a woman for cover. But me getting a spy is a man. Me getting something about government intelligence. He might bring back intelligence to the military, or he might bring back this. He might bring back everything. We have 77. Somebody, okay. Somebody, our military man. Them our Aquarius. And them birth number might be equal up to a 7. Or somebody born 1977. The person is in the military, or they were in the military, or them a one spy, or they're a rat. 1 out of the 3. Them an Aquarius, and them work with the military. Me getting a them. So maybe this Aquarius military man number 7 want you. Me getting there's also a Leo Sun, Libra Moon man who want you. So it's either the military man I work for him, or me getting, you can't tell me that things say you is all of that because you in the military. Somebody else is a fucking Satan, is a devil. So you, me don't know if this is coming back to who I don't know if this is a card. No, I don't think it's a card at all. I think it's from last reading. Me getting it's all going back to who more powerful, the military man or the devil worshipper. The Leo, Sun, Libra, Moon, devil worshipper, is either him more scary than this military man who was born 1977. He means Aquarius and yeah, Aquarius 1977. Or maybe this Aquarius 1977 is talking to this Leo man. Maybe you're talking to this man about some type of relationship that this woman was in, or exes. You talk to the man about it. Me getting you reply to him. So you in the military, him in the military too, but him higher than you. You get the information. Maybe him send it for watch this girl. You get the information. You go back and tell the lady the information basically. So you a pussy watcher. You watching people's pussy. You a military man, but you watching pussy. Can you believe that? You know how to burst gun and throw grenade, but say you cannot. You scary for you. Yeah, 8 of Wands. So me getting the Leo, I'll call you. I don't know if this is a race between this military man and this Leo. Me getting the Leo is more devilish. So the Leo going to get you. Not because you love the Leo, because the Leo apparently more. Me getting the Leo is not under oath. The Leo is the one who create them own oath. Thus the devil. So I don't know. Something about this 1977 born military man who like you. Sweetie, I'd rather fuck the Leo than talk to you again, sir. 1977, Aquarius, man. I'd rather go back to Leo than fuck you. And I'm talking my ex-husband, I ain't talking no other Leos. I'd rather go back to my ex-husband and talk to a nigga like you again. And you should know, the possibility of both of them happening is 0 to none. It's -2. It's the fucking predictability of what the outcome of this fucking shit would be. Military man I get weak now, manala. All them man they get weak now. I mean so much fucking military man and you are not Rima. You're not Rima. The military man them I get sissy too. All them are going like girl. Military man. Me I talk about join the fucking Navy. All them are going like girl. Believe me, you can't get no realness out here. Yeah, Judgment. We have Magic. We have Gemini. Yeah, so the Magic here I'm gonna use for the booklet. If it's not an Aquarius, it's a Gemini, man. You hear? Judgment and Gemini. Toxic relationship. Lying and all expense paid. I don't know, I just feel like the Leo, Libra, who is into the devil, me getting him is willing for more. He's willing to go to hell for what him want. Me getting the military man, him can't go hell because him not get deployed in hell yet, so him can't go. Him have to wait on him boss. Me getting about this Libra man, Leo man, and him are the boss. But I feel like all the military I work for that boy, yeah. The boy in the past 40, I'm getting the whole military at work for him. I don't know what this will take up myself and buy. Cause this have a cut back me for the rest of my blood clot life. I'm going to leave it here until next time. Bye.